Reynolds, and I'm a software engineer slash web developer. And for the few people who know me, you know that I really like movies. And whenever you're learning how to code or how to create websites or applications, you're encouraged to create websites and apps and application based on your interests because it gives you the motivation to continue and also the drive to do a good job and also in the process learn as you have fun. So one of the projects that I own that I created from scratch and I continue to update and maintain is a website called Mondat Movies. Mondat Movies is a movie review slash movie recommendation site, and it's a website that I keep updating and keep managing because I enjoy it and I think it's a service that other people may enjoy as well. So today I thought it'd be a good idea to just go through the website itself, go through different changes that I've made, especially recently because recently I went through the process of redesigning the entire website and just to make it just to apply the different stuff I've learned over the past few couple of years and bring it and update the website to make it more modern and more user friendly. And I'd like to share this with you today. Okay. So first of all, we're going to start from Google, and I want to show you something that I've learned and something that I think is a necessity in today's age of web development, and that is SEO, which stands for uh, search engine optimization. And that means that whenever you search your website or your application on Google or any other search service or search database or indexing a search index service, it should be appear at the very top. So let's start from Google and we'll just type in Mondat movies. As you can see, my website is at the very top of the list. That means that whenever someone is looking for your business or your organization information about your organization, your organization's website will be at the very top of whatever they search, and it's easy for them to get information about your website, information about your business, and yeah, it just makes stuff easier for from the user side. So let's click on this. So as you can notice, the loading is very fast. Over here we have like at least 20 images and it took like 5 seconds to load, so the loading is very fast. uh, the idea of this website was basically to have a place where, for me personally, I've had so many instances where I've saved up money and I've gone and watched a movie or bought a movie and I've been disappointed because I've felt that I've wasted my time and money watching a movie that is subpar. So the idea of this website was to provide people with a way to get information on the movies that they are going to watch before they actually pull the trigger and go and watch the movie. So on this first page we have all the latest and most popular movies. So we have Twisters, Deadpool, Despicable Me. So these are all the movies that are currently popular and are currently being consumed. So a movie that a lot of people are talking about right now is Deadpool and Wolverine. So we can click on it and see what pops up. So once you click on the movie, we get all the information we need pertaining to that particular movie. So we have the title here, we have the date of its release, we have the length of the movie itself, we have the parental restriction or guidance here. So if you have kids, you can easily see that this is not for you or for your kids, and you can act accordingly. We have the different genres over here. It's an action, comedy, science fiction, We have here we have the synopsis or the short summary of what the movie is about, and on top of that we have trailers over here. So based on all this information, you can be able to tell if this movie is for you or not for you. And I personally use this website a lot because I like movies. I like watching movies, and I like knowing what I'm getting myself into. So if you, let's try and click on the trailer. I can see that's the trailer playing. You can enlarge it, make it small. Yeah. So this basically gives you all the information you need to know about the movie you're going to watch or the series you're about to watch. One thing I really wanted to emphasize when I was doing the redesign for this website is I wanted to minimize the amount of scrolling a user will have to do. So with this page, the way it's set up, you have all the with this page, the way it's set up, you have all the information you would need without any scrolling. You do not have to scroll to the bottom of the page to know when this movie is coming out or to see a trailer. All the information is on on the same page on your view of site. So I really wanted to make sure that the user can get the information as quickly as possible and as easily as possible, and won't have to struggle to get information or scroll endlessly just to get one piece of information. Because maybe you may come to this website and all you want to know is when the movie is coming out. So immediately you just click on this page, you can be able to tell even without scrolling, this is the date. Maybe you are coming to this page and all you want to know is the trailer. You just want to see the trailer and what's all about. Again, no scrolling, just there, straightforward. Also down here we have the different actors who are in the movie, and once we click on it, on any of the actors, let's see what's happened. So once you click on the actors from the movie page, you get to see a brief description about who the actor is, the accolades, the different movies they've starred in. Also, as you scroll down, you're able to see the different movies and series that they've starred in. Actually, I think it's pretty cool. So let's say, because there's an instant, maybe you know, let's say, Free Guy. So let's say you like this actor's work and you say you like, you've maybe heard of this movie and you want to see what it's all about as well. You can click on it, and again, there it is. So I really wanted to emphasize to make it as easy as possible for people to get the information they need concerning different movies, and just help them make the decision in terms of how to invest their time, how to invest their money, and not regret it afterwards. Again, everything on the page is within view, no scrolling, you get all the information you would need. Okay, something else that I changed and I'm really proud of, because it took me a long time to figure out, is I wanted to create a dynamic a dynamic like search similar to Google, where if you type something into the address bar, it gives you suggestions for different movies. And again, this is just to make it easier for people to get the information they need. So let's say, and a use case for this is there are some movies which have weird names, and I found this. There's a particular movie that I really like, which is Lion King One and a Half. And to be honest with you, as much as I am a tech person, I don't know how to write one and a half in the computer. So let's say if I start off Lion, I know the movie. It's Lion King, and as I type different suggestions, I bring popped up here. As you can see, I don't know how to type it, but it's right here. Lion King One and a Half. So you can click on it, and just like that, with as minimal effort as possible. I'm able to get to the movie that I need to see and able to get the information that is required. And this is something that I've been working on for a while, and finally managed to figure out how to do it, and it was really proud moment for me. So whenever you go to this search bar here, you can either just move the mouse up and it will appear, or you can click on this search button and it will remain there permanently. So uh, let's type in, let's say John, let's say Mr. Bean, Mr. Bean. And as you can see, as you're typing in, it shows different suggestions, and you can easily, maybe you just wanted to know Mr. Bean's holiday. So instead of typing in the whole title of the movie, you can just come to the suggestions here after typing Mr. Bean and click on Mr. Bean's holiday. And just like that, you have all the information you need. Something else I want to show you is under here we have recommended movies, and this is just different suggestions for different movies that are similar to what you searched up. So from here you can see that most of the movies that are being suggested are either acted by Rowan Atkinson, who is right here, or comedies that are similar to the Mr. Bean franchise. So Mr. Popper's Penguins, Hitman, Three Musketeers. Yeah. Something else I want to show you guys in closing is this section right here. And as someone who likes movies, I also like talking about movies, and I thought it'd be a good idea to sort of start a blog about movies and just reviewing different movies. So this is basically my blog where I talk about different movies. So let's click on it. So you can see it's Monday reviews. So this is just my reviews of different movies that I've watched. I try to do a review every week. So this is what I watched this week. This is what I watched the previous week, and like that, like that. So let's see. This is the movie I watched last week, and I really enjoyed it. Let's click on it. If you scroll down, you can see this is what I thought of the movie, the strengths, the weaknesses, and something interesting. Once you scroll down, you have a comment section right here. So you can comment. Uh, you have different options, different prompts here. If you need more information about the movie, you click here. It takes you to the actual page of the movie, the trailer, what have you, different stuff we've covered. Yeah, and this is an interesting button. So whenever you search for a movie here, and I've already done maybe a review of the movie, it can take you directly to my review of the movie. So another movie I've reviewed or series I've reviewed is Last Airbender. There to the Last Airbender. No, it's not that one. Last Air. So as you search for a movie, and if I've done a review for that movie, you're able to see my thoughts right here. So you click on my review, and these are my thoughts on that particular movie. So I was saying these are the different props that I've come up with. The more info will take you back to the page that gives you more information about the movies. This will take you to the actual streaming site of the movie where the movie is being streamed. So you click on that, it should take us to Netflix where this movie is currently being streamed, or this series is being streamed. There's a prompt here to buy me a coffee or M-Pesa me. So if someone comes and reads through and is impressed or likes my review, they can also support this website and this service. Again, there's a comment section right here, so people can comment on what they thought of my review, what they think of the movie. And yeah, that's it for these websites that are this website that I'm passionate about, and I keep adding to it and making changes to it. One more thing, I know I've focused on mostly movies, but this also works for series. So a series, different series, you can search for different series and movies right from here. So a series that is popular right now is probably like The Last of Us. So you click on The Last of Us, and based on whether it's a series or a movie, it will be indicated by this icon right here. So if it's a series, it will be like a TV icon, but if it's a movie, let's just say The Last, it will be indicated by this like a film icon right here. So it's easy to know whether it's a series or a movie. So The Last of Us. Similar to the movie section, we have the parental guidance right here, the trailer, the recommended series. Again, you can click on the actor's face to see what other movies they've been a part of. And yeah, that's it. Uh, if anything in this video has caught your eye, if you're like sitting there and you're like, I would like something like this for my business organization, you can contact me at 0792 549422. That's 0792 54 0792 549422. Thanks again for watching. If you'd like to keep up with the different movies I'm watching, the different series I'm watching, and like to know my opinions on them, again, you can go to the website and click on this section right here. And I update. Usually do a review for a movie or a series every week based on whatever movie or series that I watched that week. Thanks again for watching, and until the next time, I'll be back. Thank you.